Hey folks, did you know that 68% of all homeowners were unhappy with their contractor? Can you imagine any other business where 7 out of 10 customers would never buy with them again? No wonder 95% of contractors fail within 5 years. As homeowners, we're all faced with the same dilemma of finding the right contractor to do the right job at the right price, especially when the work is on the exterior, usually up high, where it's virtually impossible to figure out what they did and evaluate how much protection it will provide when Mother Nature is pounding down on your home. Cosmetically, it all looks fine from the ground, especially when it's new. After all, it's a blind item, where all the essential components are hidden from sight, not easy to inspect. How do you lower the chances of becoming one of those unhappy customers? Well, let's pull back the curtain and look at the ways to lower your risk of making a bad choice. Remember, unlike a plumber or electrician, roofing, gutters, siding, and chimney work is not specifically licensed. Plus, it's underregulated and not usually inspected, so selection is inherently high risk unless you know what to look for. To help you decide who best fits your needs, I've drawn a simple graph to rate your 4 basic buying choices on a scale of 0 to 10 based on 2 essential criteria. One is design skills on the vertical axis, and the other is craftsmanship skills on the horizontal. Each will determine how well it will perform, how long it will last, and how much it will cost. In spite of what you may hear, restoration work is not a commodity item. Let's start with the promoter in the bottom left quadrant, who must spend heavily promoting on TV and radio. They may even have knocked on your door or approached in a big box store like BJ's. They cast a wide net to feed many sales reps who must sell lots of jobs. What drives the promoter? They need high sales volume to support high marketing and overhead costs that usually cost more than the actual labor and material that went into building your project. As you see, they usually score low in both design and craftsmanship. Why? Because they don't have either. One size fits all, and they're brokering all the work out to subcontractors. It's typically the impulsive buyer who falls for the showmanship with special offer. Top left is the architect who is skilled in drawing up a plan. The architect's motivation? Make a nice living without actually installing the work. As a result, they score above average in design and 0 in craftsmanship. Good choice for the do-it-yourselfer ready to strap on the tool belt. Bottom right. There's the fiddler on the roof, who scores 0 to 5 on design and 3 to 7 on craftsmanship. Why? Because unlike plumbers or electricians, there is no apprenticeship requirements or testing for competency. So he does what he does, knowing that neither you nor the building department will uncover hidden defects before it's too late when the next big storm hits. The fiddler's motivation is to keep it simple for himself. It's the #1 choice of folks who are focused primarily on the cheapest price. Finally, top right is the design craftsman company. They train both their designers and craftsmen for the long term. They'll meet with you, then listen to what you want to have done, but will also look to see what needs to be done. They'll recommend a repair if that's all you need. The best of them have a real design and fabrication shop to match exactly what protects and looks best on your home, like flashing, gutters, and woodwork. Their motivation is for you to be their customer for life. They highly value repeat and referral business, so you must become a raving fan. Theirs is a business model of attraction rather than promotion, investing heavily in their existing customers and little on marketing. As a result, the Design Craftsman Company will score high in both design and craftsmanship. Good choice if you value performance, durability, and service. So, if you're okay with the one-size-fits-all model, then go with the promoter. If you're the do-it-yourselfer ready to strap on the tool belt, then go with the architect. If you're looking for cheap, then the fiddler is for you. If you're a value buyer willing to pay more to get more, have it done right the first time, and not risk a bad experience, then go with the design craftsman. For more information, check out the links in the description below.